You just realized I just bought these Draft 42 designs. Is that what the company's called? 42 Draft Designs. CNC'd wheel adapters. These are like really the best, one of the best, I think. It's $250 for 2. I thought it was for 4. Look at this. Hub centric ring. For the 4 to 5 lug adapter. So I gotta buy another set. That sucks. Well, let's at least try it on here. Not sure what else it comes with. It comes with these other bolts. Oh, I think this is just some beefy bolts though. I don't really quite. Okay. These literally aren't coming off. I see still have shop air. Oh, was it already half inch? Oh my god, it's so hard to put on. Let's see. Rusty. What is that? Some like, can't tell. Oh yeah, just copper grease. Yeah, I mean the brake pads are pretty shot. I mean, yeah, oh, this will need to be replaced. Looks pretty good though. It's a caliper, obviously original. Pads are done. New brake lines, braided brake lines. Can get a closer look in their back here. Let's see. Adjustable end links, that's nice. Aftermarket sway bars with different adjustments. New lower control arms. Tie rod end links are all new as well. It's an oily mess under there, that's for sure. The oil filter housing is leaking. Okay, not a big deal.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark blue, purple. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and
Hello.
Nigga don't approach you with that Atari. Nigga that ain't looking always sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. I know you want you want. Oh, I got this. Put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you want you want. Oh, I got this. Put it in the song. Alright.
quick sneak peek on we have EBC brake rotors for the fronts and for the rears. I thought I had these in black too, but it doesn't matter obviously because once they're bedded in, then it doesn't show black. So, but the hats, the fronts are all black, which is what I wanted. Really cool. I'm gonna try these out. I've never had these before, but these are Bosch QuietCast, and you can see these tiny little brake pads. These are they were like a few dollars off on FCP Euro's site, so I'm gonna give them a shot. They're like on discount, not by much, but these I might have seen before on other cars. People kind of were raving about them on a Jaguar, I think, that I had, a similar model, but never had these before. So I'm gonna give them a shot. Wanted to go with something a little bit nicer, and I also didn't realize they came with the anti-rattle clips. So that's essentially why I went to painting all of this. It's all gonna get replaced. I'll take the caliper off and we'll swap it all out. So the only thing that I'll just take a little paint thinner to or lacquer thinner is just the dust shield, but I'm not too concerned about that. A little sneak peek of what this car has already had done is we have Bilstein shocks all the way around with lowering springs. Same with the rear. And what we went with the paint on this, I wanted to do something that resembles the OEM finish. We have the high heat primer. I already said that I wire wheeled the entire 4 set of calipers, got them degreased and clean, so I got all the dirt off of them. They already looked pretty good, but they weren't perfect, and I didn't want to have to spend 3, 4, 5 hours, and since I already took the coating off of them and some of the paint, they're going to show surface rust to the next owner, whoever, years down the line. So if I end up keeping this car, I want it to look good and protected. So do like a little crinkle cut or a crinkle primer. This is kind of what this looks like. It went on really well. And this is what a lot of OEM finishes will start with, is this kind of bubbly finish because it's heat resistant. And then I did this high performance. This is all I could get at Ace Hardware, but I did this high performance silver kind of flake. I didn't know that it actually had flake in it. I guess I should have looked at the cap a little more. You can kind of tell, but it looks really good. It's the silver kind of similar that the OEM finish has. And then make sure you always finish it with a thick layer of a lacquer gloss or a lacquer clear. It doesn't have to be a gloss or whatever. It could be, flat or semi-gloss or whatever that, finish is that you're looking for. But a acrylic lacquer is always going to be the best for thick clear coats that last the longest and that are resistant to most things that you'll put its way, in terms of outdoor applications, rain, rust, automotive. You can see has all the applications here. So I didn't show you me masking off the brakes or putting on the lift or anything like that, but you kind of know how that works, right? Late night, we're moving a lot of our stuff, but while I had the lift here, I wanted to get it up and get the calipers painted. I took a stainless steel wire wheel brush to all the calipers. Usually I don't want to do anything too harmful. I'll usually just do degreaser and I'll just scrub with a hand, like a hand tool, as much as I can. I'm at it for hours and hours and hours. This time I tried to do that and I just got impatient. I did the wire wheel. I know it's not a big deal, but then you're like, well, the protection is off of it. You gotta paint it then. So you can see that that's what I did. So you can see I didn't really mask it off very well because I'm replacing all the things that you see that are painted, new brake pads, and all the brake discs. So don't really have to do much there. That's pretty much it.
Looking forward, got me looking forward to the weekend. Strawberry